Okay, in the kitchen with Teresa, and I am covering one of the most requested things I always get, which is healthy, but quick and easy. It doesn't get much easier than this. So I have taken 3 packs of the light tuna, and I have mixed it with 30 grams or 2 tablespoons, for those of you who don't use the scale, of non-fat plain Greek yogurt. So now, that's what's going on here. We just need to season it. So, I love a spicy tuna. I'm gonna use a little bit of Frank's hot sauce. And then I just randomly pulled out, for today's flavor profile, some granulated garlic. No need to measure here. Measure with your heart, taste it as you go. A little bit of onion. I'm gonna change it up today and use a little bit of seasoning and salt. A little of this goes a long way. And then finally, I'm gonna do just a little bit of white pepper. And eat a bowl of tuna like this, not very appealing, I get it. So, I've got some spring mix here. Gonna put it on top. And then, I just cut a little bit of garnish. So these mini cucumbers that you get the big pack from Costco, that's gonna get sprinkled on here. And then some carrots for some crunch. If you feel like you would like a little bit more to it, another thing that you can do is just a squeeze of lemon. So not like anything that's like picture Instagram perfect gorgeous, but tasty and a little bit better than just eating plain tuna.